Yeah. Shit, I'm on M-Dub 3 right now. It's an old ass little clip I want to show, know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can see I fucking died down there, but fuck all that shit. Eat mode activated. Head ass. Oh, damn. Shut the fuck up. Oh, shit. Hacking on that bitch ass nigga. Shut your dumb ass up. Shut your bitch ass down. Ooh. Huh? Oh my goodness. God damn, Key. Shut the fuck up, boy. You know what I'm saying? I'm just too cold at this shit, dog. Wish I could show y'all niggas the kill. Check me out. Stab that nigga in the ass cheek, boy. I'm beast at this hoe.